one answer to your million queries on health. Isn't that what we are all looking forward to? Where we feel safe and doubtless while we consume something that is said to have positive effect on the holistic wellness. Ayurveda is a unique formulation in the wellness paradigm of Indus Viva. I call this unique because this is a formulation which is propelled by traditional Ayurvedic principles validated by modern science and technology. It is 100% natural formulation based on advanced Ayurveda. The human body has inbuilt immune system which works day and night protecting it from disease. But the present day lifestyle has made it difficult for the human body to cope up with the stress, and this is leading to variety of diseases. A good immune system protects you against deadly diseases and can support your brain health, gut health, heart health and liver health also. 19th century was all about infectious diseases, but as we progress along 21st century, it is a life-threatening diseases like cancer, heart diseases, obesity and diabetes which are more prevalent in this world. Sedentary lifestyle otherwise leads to degenerative and dreadful diseases. Ayurveda is a traditional Indian system of medicine which is derived from two Sanskrit words, Ayur and Veda, which literally means science of life. Ayurveda follows the principle of Swasthasya Swasthya Rakshanam, Athurasya Vikara Prashamanam in Sanskrit, which means to protect the health in a healthy person and to prevent the forthcoming disease. The classical text of Ayurveda, namely Charaka Samhita, Sushruta Samhita and Ashtanga Hridayam, dating back to 5000 years, have an armamentarium of medicinal plants and botanicals known for their preventive health as well as managing the debilitating diseases. Ayurveda contains 50 herbal ingredients which are evidence-based and time-tested Ayurvedic formulations as well as antioxidant fruits which have preventive attributes towards degenerative ailments. Interestingly, Ayurveda is also formulated based on the law of similarities which has been mentioned in the ancient textbooks of Ayurveda. Ayurveda contains 4 traditional composite Ayurvedic formulations, namely Saraswata Churnam, the major ingredient being Centella asiatica which supports the brain health, Parthadhyarishtam, the major ingredient being Terminalia arjuna, the leaf of which resembles your heart and thus it supports heart health, Bilvadileham, with the major ingredient being Bilva, which is botanically identified as Aegil marmelos and it supports your gut health, Panchanimba Churnam, the major ingredient being Neem, botanically identified as Azadirachta indica, which protects your liver health. There are numerous studies on Ayurveda in the laboratory which have given promising results regarding its benefits. Ayurveda improves your immunity. Ayurveda can be safely consumed by people of all age groups and gender from pediatric to geriatric population. It is suggested to consume 30 ml of Ayurveda twice daily, half an hour before your food for beneficial results. Ayurveda can be consumed safely for longer duration without worrying about adverse effects. Consume Ayurveda and rejuvenate yourself in an Ayurvedic way. Waking up to a cup of coffee for few is the best feeling. Coffee is the largest consumed brewed beverage around the world. iCoffee is the revolutionary product from Indus Viva which helps support your healthy blood sugar levels. Is diabetes life-threatening? Yes, it is a disease in which the sugar levels needs to be monitored and controlled on a regular basis, keeping in mind the diet, lifestyle and finally resort to medicines, where preventing the advancement of the disease and its complication is also crucial. Diabetes is a disease with multifactorial etiology. Diabetes is fast gaining the status of a potential epidemic in India with more than 62 million people diagnosed with the disease, making India known as the diabetes capital of the world. The pandemic of diabetes is expected to reach approximately 80 million people in India by 2030. A person is diagnosed as a diabetic if the fasting sugar levels are more than 126 and the postprandial sugar levels are more than 200, and also known to be pre-diabetic if the fasting blood sugar levels are in between 100 and 125, and the postprandial sugar levels are in between 140 to 199. The classical symptoms of diabetes include polyuria, which is increased urination, polyphagia, which is increased hunger, and polydipsia, which is increased thirst. Diabetes is of three types. Type 1 diabetes, also referred to as insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus or juvenile diabetes, results from failure of pancreas in producing enough insulin. Type 2 diabetes mellitus or non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus or adult onset diabetes begins with insulin resistance, a condition in which cells fail to respond to insulin properly. Gestational diabetes occurs when pregnant women without a previous history of diabetes develop high blood sugar levels. Diabetes is a disorder with numerous complications including neuropathy, nephropathy, retinopathy, cardiovascular disease, stroke, obesity, sexual dysfunction and non-healing wounds leading to gangrene and even amputations. Synthetic anti-diabetic medicines available in the market today only provide palliative relief from the condition. Recurrence and impairment in sugar levels are almost certain with these drugs. In addition to this, these so-called anti-diabetic drugs pose a lot of side effects as well. This is where Indus Viva's iCoffee creates its magic. Its scope as a routine anti-diabetic functional health beverage is incredible. Indus Viva's iCoffee is a premium blend of coffee extracted from superior coffee beans sourced from Coorg region in Karnataka. iCoffee is an elixir for people with prediabetes, diabetes and also best for healthy people. iCoffee is a unique composition of botanical extracts which includes salsitol, coffee bean and mucuna. Salsitol is special ingredient derived from well-known anti-diabetic herb Salacia reticulata, the wonder herb for optimum glycemic control, which is also known for its effectiveness against maladies of diabetes. Polyphenols and mangiferin supports healthy blood sugar levels. It effectively improves insulin resistance, glucose metabolism and supports healthy blood sugar management. Salsitol is a carbohydrate blocker. It prevents the conversion of polysaccharides to glucose. Salsitol understands the body's requirements of carbohydrates and blocks excessive carbohydrates, whereas synthetic medicines can only reduce the blood sugar levels, which can fluctuate according to carbohydrate intake. Apart from its anti-diabetic potential, salsitol has abundance of antioxidants which helps rejuvenate damaged cells, reduce cholesterol levels, improve alertness and stamina. iCoffee also contains mucuna prurens, commonly called cowhage, which shows anti-stress and antioxidant benefits. Coffee itself contains polyphenols known for their antioxidant benefits. The best time to consume iCoffee is half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. It can be safely consumed by all age groups and for longer periods without adverse effects. Replace your regular coffee with iCoffee without compromising the authentic taste of coffee.